checking in here. 500 cycles on the 6690L. On my door link 491. Figured I'd get you a video update, what she sounds like. I guess, without further ado, let me step up here and I'll aim this. I'm trying not to get my company vehicle, so I'm gonna have to aim it high. Here we go. Okay, back down. Okay, so that's from standing by the wall control. Let's bring it over here. Get you a couple different views of it, huh? Why not? CH382, here we go. Okay, let's get you close to the unit too. Doing a thorough sound update. This says, I would say this is about as broken as it's gonna be, so if there's even a break-in. No complaints. Everything sounds pretty darn good still, including that door. That thing runs like butter. It's a one finger operation there, both up and down, by the way. About the most ideal condition you could have for door balance. But anyway, that's not that heavy of a door, but still, yeah, that's the 6690L LiftMaster at 500 cycles, fully broken in. Enjoy.